Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a question in your Typeform form or quiz, doesn't matter. Let's start. So first of all, we have to navigate into your workspace. I'm at mine at the moment, and we have this one form, which is a Typeform tutorial. I'm gonna click there and I want to add the question. So we are finished with this one. The second one, I have to come up with what I want to ask. My customers or my friends or your colleagues, but let's say you'll finish with this one, or we can easily delete it. And we want to start with a new one. We want to ask a new question. So we have a content on top left corner, and there is a plus button, and we're gonna hit that plus button. Right now we can go with multiple choices: short text, statement, picture, picture choice, email, long text, number. Well, we have tons of options. And then we just go with the next one. Basically, all you have to do is click the plus button on top left corner of your screen and then pick the question types. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.